Hi folks, Harley here with a bad hair day. Yikes. Sorry. Anyhow, this is a video that we actually filmed when we installed these fans, and we kind of forgot to post it. So anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get this up because we're going to be making an update video in the future. So I wanted to go ahead and get this up because I thought it was already posted and apparently it was canceled or not done or whatever. But anyhow, here we go. Okie dokie, here's a little quick video in the sunroom. The ceiling is too low.
It's only a 7-footer.
Yeah, it's like a 7-foot ceiling, so it's too low for a ceiling fan. Yes, I know we could install a hugger, but we don't want to install a hugger. We wanted to install these. 2 Air King commercial 16-inch fans on the wall, oscillating, 3-speed with a pull chain, and that cord is temporary.
We're going to put outlets in the ceiling.
Yeah, above each fan is going to be an outlet in the ceiling with a single receptacle. And they will be controlled by a switch that will be mounted right here.
Yep.
Well, right there.
Yeah.
So, that is going to be really nice in the summer. Well, not really summer, I shouldn't say.
Early fall and spring.
Yeah, early fall and spring, when we open all these windows and the slider, and we have lots of airflow. It'll be like being outdoors on a porch, but yet indoors with kitty cats. Meow meow. Meow. Hey Bandy. And hey Leah. What are you doing? You know, we have to have our little helpers around. Anyway, quick video. There you go. All right, and there you have it. We'll be bringing you the update video here shortly. In the meantime, make sure you hit like and subscribe. Share this video out if you like. We're trying to get, our subscriber count up a bit, and anything that can help would be appreciated. So we'll talk to you in the next video, and feel free to visit us on Patreon if you like. Special thanks to all of our patrons that are really helping us to bring new content to you. So thanks again, and everyone have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.